Hello traders, in this video series I'll talk about candlestick and chart pattern because I have seen many of the traders, including me sometime as well, use this candlestick and chart pattern and support and resistance, because these are the very basic but yet very powerful. If we only go with the candlestick and chart pattern and support resistance, we will get enough opportunity to trade. Okay? We don't need the fancy kind of indicators, expert advisors or anything like that. So I'll start with the very basic candlestick pattern, which is the hammer, and I believe most of you already knew about this. So the hammer looks like this. It has a tiny body, it has a long lower wick. The length of the wick should be more than double or triple of the candlestick body itself. And sometimes you will see there is a tiny upper shadow as well, I mean upper wick, or there is no wick at all. That doesn't matter. So hammer indicates that the market likely to reverse upside after a long downtrend. As we can see here in this example, the market was in downtrend. The hammer formed here, you guys see this candle, and this is kind of perfect hammer. But in real time, I mean when you trade in real time market, hardly you will find the exact this kind of setup being formed there. Sometimes you will see the length of the wick. This wick is the long, like it's very long. Sometimes you will see the wick upper side of this body is also long. Okay, so you need to figure out which is the perfect hammer. You don't have to go with the all the time perfect setups there, because you are not going to get the perfect setups. So sometime if you see the length of this lower wick is longer than like shown here in this video, that's also perfect. Okay, so based on this hammer strategy, you will place a buy order the moment this candle closes here. Not here. Your stop loss will be below of this candlestick pattern here, right here. And if there is any major support previously, you can place the stop loss according to that, or you can also use the ATR, average true range. That completely based on your how much risk you would like to take here. And in the next video, guys, I'll talk about detail about the other candlestick patterns, and then I'll talk about the chart patterns. Okay, in the next video.